everyone. My name is Giparama Ilhami with my partner.
My name is Ahmad Nejat from Padang.
Today, we make to video conversation exercise by how long does it take? Okay?
Let's do. Where are you from?
Okay. I'm from Ngawi City.
Where in?
Ngawi City in South Ngawi.
It's far from here.
No, it's 2 kilometers from here.
That's pretty short. How long does it take by bicycle from here?
By bicycle in 10 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So, how do you usually go?
Today I usually go to here in 5 minutes by motorbike.
So, I see. How long does it take by bus?
By bus? No, I don't from bus.
Right. That's pretty short time. Are any interesting tourism destination in?
Destination in Ngawi City
What?
are Monument City, Ngawi.
Alright. That's it. Done.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.